Do you want more coding tips and tricks? Hit like, subscribe, and join the coding community. In this video, we will create Minesweeper Game in Python. This GUI version of Minesweeper is a simple way to bring the classic game to life using Tkinter. The buttons provide an interactive way to play the game, and the logic behind revealing the squares and detecting wins or losses stays the same. This example is a great starting point to add more features, such as flags or difficulty levels. Import Tkinter for the GUI and random for placing mines randomly. Define the dimensions of the grid and the number of mines. Class definition for the Minesweeper game. Initialize the game with the Tkinter root window. Set the window title to Minesweeper. Create the game grid with mines and numbers. Track the revealed squares. Store the buttons representing each square. Create the grid of buttons in the window. Create a button for each grid cell. Bind the button to reveal the cell when clicked. Place the button in the Tkinter grid at the given position. Store the button in the dictionary using its X, Y position as key. Create a 2D grid initialized with zeros, safe squares. Set to keep track of the mine locations. Randomly place the mines in the grid. Pick random X, Y positions within the grid size. Add the position to the set of mines. Update the grid with mine counts for each cell. Mark the mine locations with -1. For each cell, update the number of adjacent mines. Skip if the cell is a mine. Check all 8 neighboring cells, including diagonals. Get the neighboring cell coordinates. Ensure the neighbor is within the grid bounds. Increment the count for this cell. Reveal the button corresponding to the given X, Y coordinates. Do nothing if the square is already revealed. Mark the square as revealed. Get the button for this square. If it is a mine, display asterisk and change the button's background to red. End the game, since the player clicked on a mine. Otherwise, display the number of adjacent mines, if any, or leave it blank if 0. Check if all non-mine squares have been revealed. If so, the player has won. Reveal all the mines when the game is over. Display asterisk for every mine. Show the game over message. Show the congratulations message when all safe squares are revealed. Display a message at the bottom of the game window. Place the message label at the bottom of the window. Function to start the game. Create the root window using Tkinter. Initialize the Minesweeper game with a root window. Start the Tkinter event loop. Check if this script is being run directly, as opposed to being imported as a module. Start the game when the script is run. Now run our code. If you're into coding, and I hope you are, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It's super simple, and it helps me bring you more tutorials, fun coding challenges, and tech tips. Plus, you'll get notified every time something new goes up, so you won't miss a thing. Go ahead, click those buttons, I'll wait.